I'm feeling good today. Feeling really good. It's a good day. One sec, boys. We're gonna get it all live. You can hardly see all these sunglasses. I don't like lie to you guys. Like I feel partially blind. We're about to go. Demonetize me, boys. Demonetize me.
I never take a day off. Work around the clock, my engineer getting paid off. Rock like Ace up, like the weed and take off. So high.
Get the belt on today, boys. We got the fucking belt on, boys. We got the fucking belt, the skinny legs, boys.
I learned it from the best, always dressing something fresh, looking for a little dime, big butt and nice chest. Yes, they heard I used to rock gas.
Basically, all we're talking about today is going to be Pfizer and AMC. I could give a fuck less about anything else. So if you want to talk about anything else, probably not the live stream for you today. And I'm like a Moderna because it matters. But basically, I'm just baking today. What a rebound. You buy the dip, boys. You buy the... See, actually, I'm saving that. I'm saving that for a second. By the way, every 100 likes, we're down in claws in the chat, boys. Every 100 likes, okay? Well, we're looking good. AMC too, so I mean, people are asking questions already. But like, obviously what I think is happening and going on is like, you're just getting, like, you pushed up. You were mounting it really strong on that monthly. You pushed up, awesome, but you're holding below, you're below view up. Probably just retrace. Maybe 35.3, 35. That's my range right now. Maybe it come deeper. I don't know. Did you sell your PFE calls? No, I added more. Well, I sold some this morning and I added more. So yes. I'll sell my Discord spot for 35,000. My boy. My boy. Call it StockX. Music's too loud. I don't care. We're kind of just chilling today. Hey, look, sometimes when you're like the best trader there is on the old YouTubes, you gotta do it. Rocket Chet Stedman, I like you more and more every time you donate to me, baby. Okay, keep it coming. Keep it coming. And you know, it's hard being this good, you know? It's hard. Guys, if you're not following on Twitter, you probably are. That's why you're here. But if you're following on Twitter, you know, I'm giving you the plays, baby. I'm not like all these other cons out there that are, you know, you in the butt and making you pay them hundreds of dollars to get their courses and all this bull nonsense, okay? Like, when you're the best of the best, sometimes you just gotta share the wealth, you know what I mean? Love you a long time. And everyone that made money on Pfizer, awesome. I think it's gonna keep going. I've been buying the dip. Been buying the dip. Are you caked? I'm straight up caked. I'm caked every day, baby. I don't want to listen to this. Gay. Sometimes Spotify just plays the most random stuff. Well, some of my music I don't think some people don't like. I want to listen to... I know what I want to listen to. I know what I want to listen to. My SoundCloud's actually really... That's where my real bangers are, SoundCloud. That was a good one. We'll play another one after this, but I got some good songs. Let's go. If anyone has questions on Pfizer... or Pfizer, Moderna, or AMC, I'll answer them. Besides that, please. Tyler, that geyser, that Pfizer. Hey, I like it. 25 more likes, we're down in quals, boys. We'll line her up. We'll line her up, boys. Quals on deck, boys. Hey, you call it chugging machine. How about you give him some slots for the old Dissy quarter? You know what we're gonna do, Jonathan? You know what we're gonna do? If we hit, I gotta make outlandish goals, baby. If I have outlandish goals, we have to have outlandish goals here. If we hit 500 likes, I'll start giving out random spots. I'll start doing giveaways for Discord spots. Yeah, Pfizer looks better than I think AMC right now, personally. But like what you have going on is you have Pal talking in, what is that? Like 20 minutes? It's like in 20 minutes, Pal's talking, boys. And after that, don't hassle me. I'm a local. That man's a ledge. He's here daily. And guys, don't feel composed to donate. You do not have to donate. I answer questions for free. You don't have to do any of that. Alex Cinco. Hey, Alex Cinco, baby. I'm feeling a yes. A 6th one coming on deck, baby. Don't worry. More coming. There's no spots for sale. Discord's locked. We only do giveaways right now. Your boy's up 16K this week. Pfizer alone. It's only Tuesday. SMFL. Hey, boys, it's only money, baby. It's claw time. I need to just start shotgunning these bad boys. But you know, this is for the boys, eh? This is to the next Pfizer, to the next banger. They say we only trade AMC. But you know why they only trade AMC? Because most of these fuckers don't know how to trade. They don't know a good trade if it slapped them upside the fucking face. But that's what I'm here to do, baby. Expose the fucking frauds, boys. Cheers. Oh, fuck. That was juicy. Come on, get us that pump, boys. I got something special. When we start pumping on Pfizer, boys. Super chat matter, Bam. Who's a better grifter? I don't dislike Matt. I kind of I mean, it's okay. So I'm not gonna talk about that. But like, I don't have a problem. Bam's a straight up scam artist. God, I'm gonna have to down another one pretty soon. Yeah, we need to get Bam on here. Scavaldini, get that fucker on here. How's AMC looking? Oh, we need to go to the... I'm so sorry. I've been so locked in that I haven't been looking at the chart. I'll keep my face kind of big for you. We'll go back and forth. But yeah, you're getting... I mean, like... What I was saying here... I gotta pull the old glasses down, boys. But what I was saying here is that you pushed up. And I've been saying this for a while, and you might be able to hear my music. I'm sorry if you can. It might be echoing. But like what you've been saying is you pushed above, and we talked about this in all of our videos. I've been talking about it. So people are asking me questions, DM me, Tyler, where are we going? I'm like, bro, just watch the video. I talk about it. I'm not gonna answer. That's why. So I'm not ignoring I am ignoring your DM, but like I try to answer DMs, but like if I answer the questions the day before, please don't DM me to ask the same question. That's ridiculous. That's like, if I wanted that, I'd get married. Like, I don't want that. So like, what you're getting is you're getting a push. You held. This is really strong. All this action here was great. I thought you were going to continue. But what really hurt you was this bounce here on the Nasdaq. So you were getting a bounce to start the day, and then you dumped back down. Now, rightfully so, you have to expect downside going into when Powell talks, majority of the time. So it was kind of expected. Like you know what I mean? That's why I didn't trade AMC. It was like Powell speaking, like indexes probably turned bearish. It just probably, and then you were also right there. You were also right there at that monthly level. Like, so there was no reason, in my opinion, to go full send there. Like, just my opinion, right? And I always say, you always expect a dip from resistances. I never expect a straight up breakout. So what we're getting here, honestly, so like if we come down to like 335.30 and we start bouncing, I expect to break it on the second try, right? But ultimately what I'm trying to always buy is the break and then the retest right there. So if people ask me what I'm looking at, I've been saying this on repeat. I don't know how to change it, you know what I mean? That's why look at boys, that's why I got the belt, boys. That's why I got the chest of 1,000 horses, okay? 1,000 horsepowers are built into these bad boys, okay? So just think about it. So, you know, listen, you might learn something. If not, I guess go hold your stock forever. El Jefe, I didn't make you money, baby. You made your own money. You just heard something that sounded logical and you made a good decision. My chugging and my chugging calls every 100 like here to chug our first one. Get this guy drinking until he has something to say about Bam. Scavaldini. So yeah, I hope that makes sense. I mean, I think there's no way that couldn't have made sense. Pfizer, and we need to talk about Pfizer too, guys. Like Pfizer, like, I mean, honestly, like looking at Pfizer, I mean, you know, I had a lot of haters. I would crown myself as the man with the most haters, but it's funny how the tides have turned because everyone has now come back to the champ to see where we're going. Because guess what fucking happens? The champ is typically right, eh? So people were saying that Pfizer's not a gamma squeeze, it's this, it's not. You have not, in my opinion, it has not squeezed yet. Because what you're seeing here, which is, in my opinion, just straight up buying, because Moderna did the same thing this morning on the news of the vaccine passing FDA approval with, or something like that with Moderna's. And so Pfizer just followed. And if you go look at the options count, I'm just takes 5 seconds, and I know most of you cucks use Webull, so it's even easier on there. It's amazing. Look at how many options expire in the money on $50, and then next week $50 and $51. Dude, it's the open interest is insane. So like even while these are dipping, they were like staying like in profit. Like so, I mean, I was averaging down. I bought something like I think at the lowest I got was like 48 cents. Getting back into the 51s, dude, I just like insane. Like it's insanity. David Bastel, it's my birthday. Free Discord place. Well, maybe if you didn't tell me if it was your birthday. Maybe like if you didn't ask, I would have given it to you. It's like if a girl's like, like, can you like finish inside me? And I'm like, I would have done it if you didn't ask. But now it's just weird, Live shotgun competition for Discord spots. Our trolls. Don't get married unless you like drama. Dragon claws. Band bases models based on direction, which is forcible in the wind. That'd probably actually have a higher success rate. We're gonna listen to I want to listen to. I like this song. This is a good song. This is a banger. Turn the music up a little bit. Oh man. Yeah, was good. AMC reversal. It's not like guys. It's not a reversal. It's just normal price action. It's normal. Like the fact that you don't want to just go straight up. Like, you know what I mean? If you didn't go up, I would have been. That's what I was telling. Like we were talking in Discord. It's like even the super bulls on AMC, like that, like just die hard, like love AMC. Like they were like, you don't just want to see, and I'm like, exactly, you don't just want to see because chances are, if you get a volatile move straight to the upside, you're gonna get a volatile move straight back to the downside. That's what happens, right? Look what happened here. You bounce straight up and then boom, straight back down. You know what I mean? Like, unless you're getting some sort of squeeze like back here, but you're not getting a squeeze right now. There's just no logic. Okay? No logic. Bam looks like an alcoholic yours. That's cool. I don't know anything about that. I don't know anything about that, but like, he might. I mean, like, if I was taking those trades, I'd probably be drinking my stars away. I'm not checking your DMs. Also, too, guys, if you're on, if you're on Twitter, I recommend. There's a few accounts I recommend, and I'm not like they're way bigger than me, so like they're obviously like in no way. I'm not sponsoring them or anything like that. Like I'm telling you who I follow. I reckon if you want like real stock knowledge, Zero Hedge, great account. One of the best accounts you can follow. First Squawk is a really good one. So just trying to help you guys out. These are actually really solid news sources, so you know. Those are like two of like my favorites, so you know. But Zero Hedge is really good. What did that guy say? How much did you make on Pfizer, bro? I was about 5,000 to 6,000, and then I re-entered all of it back in, plus some. So I sold some this morning. I got back in. I'm a bull. Like I'm a bull. I don't know what to say. I mean, I think what you're really waiting for. I think like once Moderna runs, Pfizer follows, and I'm telling you right now, I believe 1,100%. You have not seen any type of. You haven't seen any type of squeeze, in my opinion. Personal opinion. Just personal opinion. I gotta feel that shit, bro. This song has been like honestly one of my favorites as of lately. You think it's a good entry point for AMC? I can't say anyone to enter or not. I'm never gonna tell someone to buy or sell. I'm not entering AMC here. That's my commitment. You coming for me. I am the one that you don't want to see. I'll put a hole in this cap in the back of the tenant made back where his head lay. Yeah, baby, you was out. Roll my AT expiring Friday. I don't roll options. That's stupid in my opinion, for the most part. Gimme who? Gimme you. Pfizer popping, baby. Come on, pop it. Look, see. So what you're getting right now is the Moderna. Look, Moderna. Moderna's like the daddy, okay? And right now, Pfizer's the mommy, okay? Like Pfizer's following the daddy, but eventually, like everyone knows, in majority of marriages, the wife eventually takes those pants because she has the puce, okay? So I'm just saying, Pfizer's gonna take the reins here in a little bit. Tyler's great information. We hugged and made up. I don't even remember. I don't think I apologized for anything, but I'm glad you like me now. Pfizer wasn't on my radar until you mentioned it. It was only on my radar because all the options was insane. And honestly, I think Discord helped me out, like noticing it. Because I was looking at Moderna and they're like, look at Pfizer's options. Oh crap. This is gonna break out. Like, oh my. It's gonna break out. It's gonna break out, boys. And once this Moderna starts going up, this is me saying like, I don't know what's gonna happen. I don't know what's gonna happen, but I'm gonna make money. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? I'm gonna make money though. That's all I'm saying. Come on, baby. The amount of hate Tyler gets, mine was so super minor. They hate us because they ain't us. Real people understand that. And honestly, like people like talking about like stocks they liked right now, like so look, if you're looking at stocks, what I recommend doing at all times. So I'm gonna zoom in over here like a troll. Okay, so right here on this right hand side, you see this? This is the Dow and this is the Nasdaq. And if you're interested in day trading, this is gonna be the most educational thing you can take from me. Okay, like all jokes aside, I'll take the glasses off so you know I'm not joking. What's up, option? Tim Black. Timmy boy. I haven't seen you here in a while. Welcome. Appreciate the love. But looking at the Dow and the Nasdaq, what I will say, this is the best piece of advice, and this is not financial advice. This is just when you're getting into day trading, the best thing you will ever understand. The top of your list. Oh, this is kind of a good song too. The end of the song gets a little bit like too ghetto for me, but like I'm a fan. On one of the few 21s I like. You need to be looking at the Dow and the Nasdaq. This should always be at the top of your list of always something that you have in visible sight. It should always be right there. Why? Because majority of the time, if these are red, guess what happens? The rest of the market turns red. I don't care what stock you're trading. Majority of the time, the belt is out, baby. But what I will say is that I think these are fine. I think you're seeing a dip just going into Powell talking. Dow took a really big doo-doo, but Pfizer didn't care. I'm telling you, we're so bullish right now. We're so bullish. If you got into Pfizer, like, you got into Pfizer. If you bought the dip, if you got the dip on Pfizer. My mic didn't get muted. Good lying. It didn't get muted. Telling you.
Turn your phone off, take your clothes off. I'm a sad, but I fuck it to a slow song. Said the nail lady went and did it.
Come on, baby. We just need this baby to pop. Look, Moderna's going. It's getting ready. You know, it's ovulating. It's getting ready. Let's just plant the seed, baby. Plant the seed, baby. Come on. There's like a touch thing on here that mutes my mic, and I don't understand why, but whatever. It's probably the dumbest part of the mic. The mic's really good, though. This is like a Shure, like the smaller one. I like it a lot. And I was gonna get the other, like the really good quality Shure, but the reason I didn't get that one was just because I didn't want to buy I needed to either buy like a sound setup thing. I can't think what it's called. A mixer, yeah. But I didn't feel like it. I just didn't like want to have that like everywhere. But I'm probably gonna end up buying it because I'm about to start doing the podcast with my friends. So it's gonna be a necessity. True. Just a business expense or something like that, right? It cut out when you got in serious. We're talking about the oh, really? That's funny. Okay, so here, let me talk about the indexes really quick. I'll repeat everything I just said. That's unfortunate. Okay, so it's freaking it's Bam attacking me, man. Savaldini, man. He's back at it again. The white Vans. This guy raw dogs for sure. Spoiler alert. I do have a kid. So looking at if you're getting into day trading, if you want to learn how to trade or get into it, I need to get into. I'm sorry. This is my least favorite part. That part of the song is terrible. That's like the worst part of the song. Let's listen to. Okay, so if you're getting into day trading, sorry, I'm like hopping all over the place right now. In my opinion, the best piece of advice that I can feed anyone is right here at this top left. The US30, which is the Dow, and the Nasdaq. You need to always have those in visible sight of your trading. Because if they start running, typically, the market's turning bullish, stocks will typically go up. So in my opinion, I think that it's just the necessity to learn how to trade and watch. So you can learn when they're on supports, when you're bouncing, when you're not bouncing, where you think you're going to bounce, and where you think you might top off, where you're going to slow down, when you're reaching all-time highs, when you're in price discovery. There's tons of things you can look at, but you need to always have those on your radar and be looking at. Like, I tell that to the people in Discord all the time, and I don't mind telling you guys. I don't really care. There's no secret sauce in the Discord. It's like me 24/7. But I think you need to have these on your radar, always watching them, always looking at what's going on, where the market's moving, how we're moving. It's the biggest thing in the world. And Drops Family Garden is right. Yeah, it's the whole thing. It's the whole mixer thing. Yeah, I need the whole thing. Why is this? Who's talking about SPY? Okay, so if you're interested in SPY, you think we're gonna dump or whatever that's going on, I mentioned in a video, it's UVXY, what you should be interested in. Like VIX, I don't really want to go over this right now. I mentioned this in a video on Sunday night, I think. You're at the $15 level, which is a significant point. It was just cute for a breakout to the upside. And this is a great retracement you're seeing on the whole market. I think it's over exaggerated the move you're getting on the VIX, to be honest, but whatever. As long as it's happening right now, it's good. Moderna's about to pop, baby. Moderna's gonna pop. White Claw Mixers, eh? White Claw Mixers, eh? When open spot on Discord whenever someone leaves. Yeah, Moderna looks beautiful. Holy crap. AMZ, I think it probably comes down to 35.3, 35.15. It could come lower. I just don't really know where I love the support. Maybe this range here, like 34.5, maybe. But if it comes down that low, I would think it just hits the weekly. But yeah, that's a big dip. That's like a 10% dip. Yeah. Dude, we're really bullish. AMC is really bullish. It's doing exactly what you want it to do, which is nice. What about J&J, AstraZeneca? I don't care about this. Care less. Those don't have the potential that I think Pfizer has the most potential right now, just because of the gamma squeeze potential. But Pal should be speaking soon. This is, I don't think this is even that bad the way the market's moved. Honestly, all things considered, you have the VIX pushing back up to like $20, a really nice little bounce. This could easily just drop right back down and the indexes push right back up. You're seeing a dip, but 100% you could bounce back from this. So honestly, this is kind of good news in how the market's moving, all things considered. Where's my phone? I don't know where to put my phone. It's not good. Pfizer down hours today, just a little taste. I think Pfizer's gonna keep going. Pfizer has. I don't think they've covered yet. That was not covering, in my opinion. My opinion. I could be wrong. What are we gonna listen to? We'll listen to this. We'll blast this one, baby. We'll blast this one. We'll blast the theme song. Oh, we had 200 likes yet? Almost. About to be at 200.
I got no drip in my pocket. Must have forgot it, or maybe I already lost it. Don't got enough to go cop it. I'm about to take off like a rocket. Houston, we might have a problem, but that don't mean money will solve them. No, that don't mean money will solve them. Woke up dreaming other commas, and I got $100 in my wallet. I've been trying to make it, do it for my mama. I ain't with the faking, never with the drama. She said that I'd make it, now I gotta honor that. Replace a Honda with the fucking Model X. Replace my exes with a couple models. She act out of pocket, now it's just a problem. I
Cheers.
got it. No, really, don't worry. I don't want no Burberry glowing like the sun, or maybe a little Mercury. Shooting like I'm Booker, but nobody ever heard of me. You don't got 5 O's when I say a word to me. Nah, but really, y'all been acting silly. I could care less if you fucking with me, cause I still got the chest coming out the city. I got no drip in my pocket, yeah.
Suck down.
Maybe I already lost it.
How long did it take you to get
I'm about to take off like a rocket.
I saved a lot of money. I worked 2 jobs.
Yeah, that don't mean
Didn't spend money. I didn't have a social life. Yeah, so it just depends how much you want to, like, you know, how bad you want to do it. It's totally dependent what your priorities. But my priorities are different. I had a kid and stuff, so it was like, eat or be eating. I'm never gonna tell anyone. Actually, if you ask me, okay, so I'm gonna make a new rule. There's gonna be one rule on the channel. Don't talk about the channel. I'm just joking. So if you ask me what position or should I buy X or Y, you will get muted on my channel going forward. So mods, if someone asks that question, mute them. Or just give if it's like the first time you see them, give them a warning, but then mute them if they ask again. If they ask a specific question like that, I want them muted on the channel, or I'll mute them. I don't care either. Do not ask me those questions. I cannot answer you those questions. I have to protect myself at all times. I post what I buy, and I want that to be as clear as possible that, like, I'm totally here to, like, spread information and help as much as possible, but I cannot at all answer those questions. And I think it's clear that I can answer those questions. So don't be an idiot. I'm just joking. I'm just joking. But I love you. Don't forget to subscribe or something, right? Dude, I don't know what Spotify's doing with these, like, this music it's playing. The word legalized term just has to be options instead of.
I got big dreams, so my watch got a big face. Girls getting missing like a motherfucking mixtape. Smelling like money and I'm looking like.
If I have the stock, I don't know how else I can say it. There's no point in it. So don't even say, what do you think about these options? Just be like, if Tyler owns the stock, I don't know what else to say. What else can I say?
Demons, they follow me deep in the dark. Niggas got problems with being a boss. We ain't been home, but we hear all the talking. Hit them with hollows and clean it with salt. Salt in the wound and my heart in the cooler. Frozen like I gave my heart to my jeweler. Told him to make a new piece out of this. Ever since I just can't get no fuck by no bitch.
Baby, had a bust down on the AP. Yeah. Baby, ain't no rich styles on you lately.
I don't know what I did there. Because now you can see what song I'm playing.
I got fans in Costa Rica. I got fans in Costa Rica.
Oh, Pal speaking?
I got fans in Costa Rica.
Sorry, my mic. It's super. I need to get me plugged for it, probably.
So
what are you saying? Is have a kid? Pretty much. Have a kid, get a crazy baby mama. Game over. Success. The secret sauce.
I'm not an arsonist and shit. Not a nigga that you wanna argue with. Cause then you fucking with your future like
the position of Moderna now. I wish I would have. I was talking about it this morning when it was right here. It's retested the weekly, and I was like, man, I think 400s are juicy, and it pushed to 400.
Baby, ain't no rich styles on you lately.
That was disheartening.
I got fans in Costa Rica. I got fans in Costa Rica.
But it is what it is.
I got fans in Costa Rica.
I got balled up, hundreds in my pocket.
So what you want to see here from Powell talking, which you're kind of already seeing it. You're seeing a nice little bounce. It's good. Can we get back above monthly on the Nasdaq? Can the Dow start bouncing? It's already bouncing. It's already bouncing. And they start pushing back up. You know, maybe reclaim like the 35 to 250 range right there. And then obviously Moderna already pushing up. In my opinion, vaccine stocks have no reason to stop going up. Everyone's like getting mandatory vaccines, getting fired from their jobs. It's gonna keep going up. So. Music's kind of loud. I don't care. I turned down a little bit. Like, oh, Nipsey. This is a good one. It's a good one, boys. This is a good one. This is a really good one.
Pull up in motorcades. I got a show today. It's all I'm trying to do. Hustle and motivate.
I want more Pfizer, to be honest. But what are they at?
Hustle the overweight. That's why they follow me, huh? They think I know the way. Cause I took control of things. Ballin' the solo way. And if you pattern my trend, I make you my protege. Crossing that soldier
Stop putting on the charger.
Niggas don't know them days.
Guess not.
Take you in back of the buildings. Make you expose your
Whatever.
rage. Take you across the tracks. Make you
If you don't know what the Pfizer contract's right, that'd be cool if you could type it in.
But you got a soul to say. I just been cooking that note.
Tell you had the virus and you feel good now? I don't even know, to be honest. Honestly, like, you want to know the honest truth? This whole virus, mumbo jumbo. You want to know the truth? Look. All you need to take, I want you to go out there, get some Ricolas. I've downed about like 90 of these bad boys. Get you some emergency and don't do none of that orange basic mumbo jumbo. You're gonna go out there and get you some strawberry kiwi. This one hits really good. You're just gonna mix it into a seltzer, okay? Preferably, nope. Only a White Claw. You're gonna mix that bad boy into here, okay? And then people will say all this stuff about you need zinc, you need you need zinc and vitamin whatever the hell. These other vitamins. These are fake vitamins. You don't need those, okay? So I'm turning it down for you little puss boys, okay? Just calm down. Okay. You don't need none of that. No. You're going to take that, and then you're going to go to the gym, okay? So what I will say, it's hard to breathe right now. It's a little bit harder to breathe when you have COVID, 100%. You're going to go there, and you're going to just kill it, okay? You're going to get sick, nasty pumps. And that's how you get over COVID. The end. Okay? Don't stay at home. Don't do this nonsense. No. Just take your vitamin D, take your Ricolas, and crush them, and then go get sick, nasty pumps, okay? Because let me tell you something. If you stay at home, you're probably going to, gain a few unneeded pounds. You need to keep downing your shakes, okay? Keep downing the creatine because you can't be losing any mass, and you got to stay shredded as hell because it's still summertime, okay? You don't paper hand summer. You long summer, okay? You hard as a rock that crap until like November, okay? It's summer until November, okay? Salt? No, you don't need salt. No. I don't know if that was a troll or something. It was a bad troll if it was, but I appreciate the $1.49. I love you, Simon. But like, yeah, that's all you need. Okay? That's what I did. And look at me now. Honestly, I think I'm stronger. I honestly, if it took me 6 days ago to right now, I'm probably stronger than I was back than 6 days ago. Like, realistically speaking. I mean, it's kind of scientific if you think about it. Just saying. Like, how to be a Giga Chad. Giga Chad asked how to be a Tyler. That's what Giga Chad asked. So, I will say something though. These Ray-Bans, holy crap, you can't see crap out of that. I can't see a thing out of those. Whole market's down because Pal is talking. So, gargle vinegar. That sounds terrible. Going to the beach next week. I've been killing leg day, quads popping. Do I do leg day like every day? I do legs, and I'm only way they're gonna grow is I think if I inject steroids into my legs. There's no way. I mean, I can squat great amounts. I can deadlift great amounts. I can do whatever I want. I can do lunges for 17 days straight, and nothing would happen. The PFE salutes, eh? The PFE salutes, eh?
Victory lap.
Dude, I'm telling you, the song will play. Oh, it's another good song. This is Iggy Pop. Iggy Pop's a good one. The la 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 part gets a little bit annoying, but yeah. I'm gonna replay Juice. Like I've been like really like in the mood for Juice WRLD, to be honest. Like I've been really like in the mood for Juice. So I'm gonna listen to Juice for a while. I wish I could play my sound. His SoundCloud stuff is really good. Baby. That's gross. Okay, so Dow probably touches monthly. I'd be willing to bet like my left testicle that it touches the monthly open. It's really close. As long as you ask your consents, those legs will turn. As long as you're consistent. Not true. Not true. I literally do legs for every day for the past like 3 years. But like my upper body grows quick, like really, really quick. Quick as hell. Like, super easy. Go for a walk if you can't work out. No. You work out every day. No. There's no excuses. There's no excuses. If you're trying to like, honestly, like let's be real. If you're trying to like pull salutes and you're trying to like dominate the stock market, you gotta like be tippity top mental mainframe 24/7. Okay. 24/7, 365. You know, for 70 years straight. Okay. You gotta kill your body as much as possible. Okay. So no, that's ridiculous. Go for a walk. Yeah. Let me get on Tinder and say, yeah, I'm gonna quit going to the gym. I'm going for a walk. Yeah, he's during calls to say. I said during calls, tippy toppy. Show your biceps, Winstraw. Winstraw. That's a great name. That's a great nickname. If I took Winstraw though, I'd be like super cut. Pal's not gonna say anything bad. He's not gonna say. Pal says the same thing every single time. He's like, I think the market's in a very good way, and there's no reason to raise interest rates right now. The market looks great. I think we're probably gonna keep going to the moon, and I love our economy. Joe Biden's doing a great job, and anyone that's shorting on the market are absolute retards because we're just going to keep printing money and stimulus is going to keep coming. That's basically what he says every time. Sorry, spoiler alert. I maybe just ruined the next hour or 3 for you, but the virus is scary, but calm the freak down. You act like billions of people are dying. Calm down, bro. Just watch the stream. The virus is not scary. So if someone was saying the virus is scary, virus is scared of the stream. Think about it. Tyler, your picks are awesome. My picks are awesome until I pick a loser. So I mean, I'm gonna pick a loser. So like, honestly, I've been loving Twitter. Chart wizard, the wizard stuff is honestly comedy. Did I do that? C19 gives you a heart condition. No, doesn't. I know if I take Trent or something, my legs would blow up. That'd be kind of cool. Chin bologna sandwiches. Play Despacito. I'm not playing Despacito. I'm not playing that. I thought about it for a second. I wanted Pfizer to pump so I could do something, but it's not gonna pump. It's like we're holding the bag, boys. Looks like we're holding the bag. I'm holding mine. I don't care. Whatever. It's just money or something, right? All these songs are meant for good times, and I'm not having a great time right now, to be honest. As long as Moderna stays up here, I'm happy. Especially, like, yeah, just wait, like, Pal needs to finish talking. Joyner Lucas goes pretty hard. When PFE salute squeeze, should squeeze. I don't know. Like, dude, it could dump. It could dump into oblivion. I don't know. I mean, I made money on it, but like, I'm pretty deep into this play. I'm looking to get more though, to be honest. It might dip to the daily. It's a flag. It's dipping a little bit too. Also, could do one of those little double bottoms here. I like it. I like it, baby. I'm a big fan. How do you feel about people saying the market will crash and AMC will pump due to margin calls? Is this even true? I mean, I guess theoretically it's possible, but like, I don't like. So this is my statement on that. Let me turn the music down a little bit because this is gonna like expose the stupidity of people that like say they're for the people. Okay, so people that say they're like, so you have people that say like, okay, we are for the people, and the head you're screwing everyone, and you're this and you're that. Now, this is what I want people to realize. If you are betting on the market to crash, if you are betting on the economy to crash, and for your stock to explode, what you're betting on, statistically speaking, because statistics and numbers typically don't lie, you're betting on poverty rate to sky high. You're betting on, basically people to die of starvation. And these, when poverty rises, basically the death toll rises like significantly. So basically you're betting on people to die. Like, I'm just being I'm just the logical guy passing the fucking plate, showing you like this is what you're wishing happens, right? So if you're betting on the market to drop down, which like I get it, like you have to make money, and like I'm very bearish on the market as a whole. I'm a bear. I'm a gay bear. But what I will say is that those people that are hypocritical, that say that they're like, we want the market to be fair and we want, the little guy to make money. The little guy inevitably is going to lose all their money. They're going to lose their jobs. They're going to lose everything. They're going to be significantly more in debt. Like, yeah. There's not going to be a market pull, but no, pullback is not what's going to happen. No. When the market pulls back, it's going to be somewhat of a crash. In my opinion, it's going to be a recession. Just saying. I think that's stupid. So, like, I'm not saying that you shouldn't, like, bet against the market. That's not what I'm saying. But I'm saying to, like, wish that upon people is really kind of wrong. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. So, and I think like if you like are saying that like, oh well, no, it's not going to affect the market. I'm like, you're just naive, or like you're just like, I guess telling yourself something so you feel better, which is cool. Like tell yourself whatever you want, but like you're wrong. I'm right. I don't care. Like it's just statistically facts. So whatever. But yeah. So for people that are saying that like, if the market crashes, AMC to the moon, it will finally be an equal playing field. No, the market will 100% stay the way that it is, as pessimistic as I am. And if you don't believe that the whole market is going to be corrupt forever, just look. The market hit all-time highs yesterday while the Taliban took over a nation. Let that sink in. The market was bullish on a group as the Taliban overtook a nation. Like, that should be the ultimate confirmation that the market is just bound to be the most corrupt thing in the whole wide world forever. Like, so I'm just saying, like, don't be emotional, make your money. That's my 2 cents. But if you want to be emotional, honestly, be emotional, because I'll probably be the person making money off of you being whatever. Pour the salt shaker in your mouth, shaking at the same time, Tyler. I can't do it, man. I can't do it. I can't. I'm allergic to salt. It's not kosher. Herbie, it's like that scene in The Big Short. Yep. I want to listen to... It's a good song. But yeah, anyways, I'm really bearish on the market. Long story short. So, take that with whatever you want. And I love Pfizer. So, I'm a big Pfizer guy right now. I'm a big Pfizer guy. What's Twitter doing? Honestly, you guys you put some really great Twitter stuff. I guess I get some good laughs. It's most fun. No, before market credit should transfer wealth. Transfer wealth. That's come on. Are we like living in fairyland? Like you have to be living in fairyland to believe that the transfer of wealth is gonna shift from the top 1% to the top 70%. Like, that's no. Come on, come on, come on. No, are we serious? Like if you really believe that, then like there's a whole nother problem. You must have believed in Santa Claus till you were like 26 years old. If that's the case, like. Any thought on Matt and Trey not showing AMC positions after June squeeze? That's their business. They can show whatever they want. I post my stuff. I don't really mind. I don't care. I don't care. But that's their business. That's their money. Like, do whatever you want with your money. It's their. I mean, like, no one's like that. That's what like people like kind of like. And I understand like. It gets really frustrating dealing with sometimes like being on social media and stuff. It's tough. But I think it takes really like tough skin. And what I will say is that I think that like ultimately like it's their money. They do whatever they want with it. So do whatever you want. Like, I mean, I don't care. And it might piss off your subscribers, but whatever. I mean, I'm like, but like, I think the problem and the difference between like Matt Kors and like why I can't really even address that situation, like Matt Kors and Trey is like, they're not as controversial in my opinion as I am, and that's not to like to say I'm better than them or anything like. That's not what I'm saying. What I'm saying is that maybe they're not used to getting backlash, okay? But like I'm used to it. Like it's like every day I get someone DMing me, you're a gay bear, and you think AMC. I'm like, okay, whatever. Like, I guess follow the chart tomorrow and like tell me how it goes. And then they DM me like, I'm just here to apologize because you gave great buy opportunities. I'm like, whatever. Spoiler alert. So. This is a good song actually. I haven't actually heard this in a while. Getting a little dip from. We might bounce back tomorrow. I don't know. What's this thing for the jawline? Oh, I'll tell you what it is. If you're under 18, you might want to turn the volume down. I'm just joking. I can't go into details, but I think you know what the gist, baby. 8, you really got a gay beat. I don't know what that means. I don't even know what that means. People think you have to swear your allegiance to some stunk. People can do whatever they want. Like, I mean, if people want to, like, you know, be all out on one stock, whatever. More power to you. Eventually, you'll come to the point where you lose money, and you'll come to like, where can I make money in the stock market? You know what I mean? It'll come to that eventually. We'll talk later. Till then, hope you do well. You know what I mean? Why are bears gay? I don't know, man. I like gay bears, man. I think you're flagging here on AMC. Maybe not. I mean, you're holding that 200 as EMA. I don't even like MAs to be honest. I'm kind of the Discord. Jay Styles, I love you. But yeah. What was the song I just played? It was Ramen and OJ by Joyner Lucas. Appreciate the donation, Yu-Gi-Oh. Yu-Gi-Oh did used to hit back in the day. Oh, PFE coming alive, boys. Hey. We're just getting a little pump here, boys. Ooh, we're going for tone, not bulk. You know what I mean? Oh yeah. Oh, baby, get a little pump. Pump it up! Pump it up! You hot on Nas y'all? I don't know. Maybe? I don't know. The dude's talking a lot about. That dude is talking a lot about salt. Oh, Pfizer! Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, Pfizer. Come on, don't. Hey, stop. Hey, stop. Stop. Hey, stop. Stop, Pfizer. Stop. There you go. There you go. Hey. Pfizer doesn't like when you look at her, okay? You just gotta put the shades on. Alright? Put the shades back on, boys. She just doesn't like when you look at her. Just don't look at her too much. We'll come back to her, okay? What's your ideal close for AMC and PFE today? I don't know. I don't really have like an ideal close. I just like predict the market and like hope things go well, to be honest. That vaccine's looking like the candle's looking like a vaccine shot. Pump it. Let's go, PFE. Dazi. Appreciate the donation. How's the market looking? Let's look at the Nasdaq real quick. I swear to God, I can't see crap out of these things. They're comfortable though. You're dipping hard. Look at that. Wait, hey, boys. Someone call Trey because I think we got a George W. You got a George W. PFE. If PFE rips, I'll take the vaccine. Oh, boys, give me the extra chromosome, doc. Give me the extra chromie. PFE. There we go, boys. Come on. Let's break that view. Is that the view up? I think it's a view up. Yeah, it's a view up. Oh, get above the view up, baby. Come on. Do it! Come on, baby. If we close above 50 today on PFE, guys, I'm telling you, I might not even sleep. 2 White Claws and we swerving. No, this is just what it feels like to make money, honestly. Like I'm a big fan of making money. Spoiler alert. Oh, boys. I'm such a big fan of making money, guys. See, this is what I was trying to tell everyone over the past few months, and y'all were just such haters. Y'all were just like, stop trading options, Tyler. And I was like, guys, this is the world you could be living in. This is the world you could be living in, and y'all were just like, Tyler, you're ruining the stock. And I was like, no, y'all are just idiots. No, you could be making money. You know? Gosh, actually, typically I hate this song, but I'm kind of in the mood for the song. Come on, baby. I expect a little bit of rejection there. I expect a little bit. Okay. God, Moderna looks so good. Holy, this probably goes back to 410. Today 410 today. Holy crap, this is insane. Yeah, you're getting a bounce in the index. I'm telling y'all better call Trey's ass up and tell him. Be like, hey Trey, we got a George W occurring on the Nasdaq, and we got a George W occurring on the old Dow. Moon landing in T-minus 10 hours. Pfizer looks beautiful. Spoiler alert. Spoiler alert. I don't think it'll make it to market close. DK gambling on Pfizer while dying of COVID-19 on YouTube. Dead. Did immune? Do I have like 21,000 on Pfizer right now? I really get average down though. I put like 8,000 when we averaging down. Pull up pool. We're only looking at Pfizer and AMC in the channel today. Actually, you're a Discord member. You know what? It's on monthly. Looks good. But the whole market's like, I wouldn't bet on anything. I wouldn't be trading. Oh my God. Pfizer, what the fuck? Pfizer, what are you doing, man? Pfizer, like... What? What? Are we seeing this right? But okay. When did you start day trading? When did you start trading full time, and how big was your portfolio? So this is, I get this question a lot. Okay, so I'll take the glasses off. The big question when I started day trading was how much money did I have in my bank account to survive, right? And how much credit did I have? And I had plenty of credit to survive, and then I had like a few thousand in the bank, so I knew I could survive for a few months. Portfolio wise, I had sub 10,000, which was super risky, huge risk. Totally, I'm a big believer in like believing in yourself, to be honest. So like, I bet on myself a lot. So yeah, would I like recommend that to anyone else? Probably not a good idea. But yeah, I don't know what the magic number for that is. You're about to be at 300 likes. Down in the floor. I can take a shower soon too. Kind of stinky. Been staring at this stupid chart all day. I don't know where my phone is, man. Swim mom was bleeding, but she broke even. Probably smart lady. I don't know why you. I mean, Pfizer has it could potentially go down. Yeah, I just don't see why you would sell it. Like honestly, like. You have, first of all, look at Moderna. Moderna looks crazy bullish. Historically, we follow Moderna. Pfizer follows Moderna. 2, you have thousands of contracts. Thousands. DK, I bet big on myself. Also tell that I wouldn't bet big on yourself. Yeah, I only bet big on Tyler. I trust no one else. Like they have thousands of contracts expiring at $50, and then if you hold $50 tonight, crazy. Might not happen, but still. I don't know if this is too deep, but what's your goal trading to retirement? I probably will never stop trading, or ever stop working in general. I love working in general. Like, yeah, I probably won't ever. Like, I don't really see the point of like retirement. Like, that just sounds lazy to me. Like, I get like taking vacations and taking time off. Cool. Sure, maybe. But like, retiring and quitting forever sounds stupid. Like, why? Unless I'm working like in like a hard manual labor job, and that's what I did for my whole life, then I'd understand. But like, being in control of my life and where I'm at right now, I don't see why I would ever do that. That sounds stupid in my opinion. Just my opinion, not attacking one. But yeah. Where did I study for trading? Well, first of all, I went to college, but college doesn't teach you anything to do with charts at all. College teaches you fundamentals, which is super important. I think that no one likes this advice. No one likes when I talk about this. It was just basically 2 years of trial and error when it came to charting. Like the best trial and error for me was because I traded crypto, some forex, not much, but mainly futures on like indexes and gold and oil. That's all I traded. But like, that's all I did. Like, you know, I didn't have a life. I had friends, don't get me wrong, but it's like, it's all I did. Like, I lived and breathed it. Like, I would go to work and come home, and like, that was my fun. Like, I would play games and like chill and do stuff occasionally, but like, my life was this. I don't think people really realize that. And like, you know, it's like not motivational or anything like that. It was looking back on it, really sucky process because of how much time went into it. And honestly, maybe it killed my relationship and relationships with a lot of people because I was so just absorbed and like obsessed with it. That's just how I am. But like, I mean, like, I say it and like it's not to sound motivational or anything like that, but like, in my opinion, success has a price. Like, if you want to be good at something, there's a price to pay. The end. Like, so as much as I joke around and troll, like, yes, but like, there is a price to pay when it comes to wanting to be successful. There is a huge price. Huge price. And like, you know, like, you're not going to do what everyone else does, especially if you're broke. And I was broke. Now, I had a great family, I guess. Yeah. And like, but like, ultimately, like, there's a price. That's it. And no one wants to pay that price. Everyone wants to have fun. Everyone wants to live for right now. Everyone wants to buy what they want to buy right now and spend money. That's it. Working in a toxic environment. I'm not going to lie. Biggest thing I ever did in my life was breaking up with my ex. If I look from the day I broke up with my ex, honestly, the day I really cut her out of my life was about, what day is it right now? August 17th. So a year would have been like June. I wasn't with her in June, but like, it was like on and off again. When I cut her out of my life, and that's like, I'm not like talking crap about, I mean, I guess I kind of am, whatever, she's a piece of shit. But like, whenever I broke up with her and cut her completely out of my life, went to court for my son and did all that stuff I had to do, like, I would say I was in a straight parabolic upward trajectory in my life. Once I got past like the depression and just like shifting my whole meaning of what I did with my life, straight parabolic trajectory in my life. 100%. I was making less than 25 grand maybe. Granted, I was full-time in college too. I'm like just finishing some stuff right now, but ultimately, like, and I mean, I've quintupled how much I was making. My whole life has changed, but like, it's all like, you know, it's up. It's like, I mean, like, it's how much work you put in, like 100%. Like, and it's not to sound I don't want to be that dude, like, at all, but like, it is totally how much work you put in. And I lived and breathed this stupid shit. Like, back in January, you can go look. I was posting 3 videos a day. I was in fucking like debt with some of my stuff. I mean, like, I quit my job completely. I did, like, I was like, fuck it. This is what I want to do. You know what I mean? Fuck it. When you say everyone is mostly under 30, when you get to 30, you realize success isn't a quick thing. Yeah, you're right. It's not a quick thing. It's a pretty terrible process, typically. Hey, Pfizer though, hey? Pfizer though. All this motivational bullcrap. Look at that volume on Pfizer. If we break above 50, I'm gonna go berserk. I don't know what if we break above 50 today, boys, I don't know what, I'm going berserk. Jason, I just have a 4 series. Sport. It's not the M. I don't think it's M. I don't think it's an M4 series. I don't think so. It's nice though. I don't care. I mean, I like it. You know what I mean? I could care less. PFE 150. It needs a Mount B wall. That's all it needs to do. It's just inching up there. Looks good. Just relax. Take a chill pill, boys. The immune is here. The immune is soon. Immune soon. Go to the immune. Would you peek up PFE skirt? No, I wouldn't peek up the skirt. I layer down that leather couch. Pick the skirt up. Dive in. You know what I mean? I bet big money will start to push. It will. Big money will start pushing Pfizer soon. In my opinion, I think it will. Do you think they'll add a new option on PFE if it pops up really high? But I don't know. That's not what I'm betting on. Like, I'd be happy with a $52 push. Your value would go ballistic. I am 23. I'll be 24 in December. I bet big money. AMC. What is AMC at? AMC looks good, dude. That you're bouncing. I mean, I know Jay Styles, wherever you are, you're going crazy, bouncing on that 200 SMA. That's crazy. It's crazy. Crazy. I'm gonna have to make. Look at that. We talked. Hey boys, we talked about this seconds ago. First of all, I'm a big fan of the song. But anyways, 7 more likes. We have to down another call. First president vibes. What's my dream car? I don't really have a dream car. I wanted an Audi all through high school, and then I was gonna buy an Audi, and I was like, I'd rather just get a BMW. I like the way they looked more. At least, like, cause I just bought it online. I didn't want to, like, I can be really lazy sometimes, which is funny, but. COD 304. We have 2. I'm starving. I need food. How do you feel about Apple big dog or bid dog? Dude, these sucked it down. Holy crap. It's just pure pain. Victoria. First of all, Victoria, if that's your real name, if you're a woman, always call me big dog. Second of all, it's really high. I wouldn't be betting on anything in the market right now. I'm a poon. But you're getting a strong bounce across the board. Huge bounce. George W loading. Fave White Claw flavor. I like the black cherry, and I like lime's my favorite though. Lime is the best. You need to get Vizzies? Yeah, I would if I had a vagina. What a pussy. Hey, everyone roast that guy. Whoever said that Vizzy crap. Everyone roast JR. I need everyone to add him, troll him, garbage can him. I don't care. You know, add him and put a whole bunch of eggplants to that dude. That guy, come on. Vizzies. We talking about Vizzies. That's terrible. Grapefruit calls, that's racist, man. Stop, come on. Don't come in here with that racist. Hey. You come in here with that racist, do I drink grapefruit because I'm black? Come on. Come on. Come on. Lemonade. GG, you're about to get banned from being a mod. You come in here. You come in here talking about Trulies, you're gonna get banned. You are literally gonna get banned from being a mod. If you ever bring up another type of seltzer. And I do want to have. I want to try Happy Dads really bad. That's what I really need in my life. Is Happy Dads. This guy on Twitter, man, he will not shut up, man. He's like the guys that go on like in long threads and just like responding to each other. I'm like, dude, do y'all not like? Y'all virgin? Like, do y'all have lives? Is there like? Do you need a woman? I can, pay for one for the night for you. Jeez. I'm joking. I don't care about the grapefruit comment. I'm totally trolling. Oh, Pfizer. We'll take what we can get, boys. We'll take what we can get, boys. We'll take what we can get, boys. Y'all virgins. Come on, boy. Come on. Bump it. Bump it, boys. You're going to timeout. Coming here with that Vizzy crap. You're in a timeout. JR's in a timeout, boys. He's being naughty. Talking about this other mumbo jumbo. I don't play that. You come in here. You come in this channel. You show respect to the doctor of claws. Okay? Okay? I surgically down those claws. Okay? I'm a surgeon with those things. And don't even make a penis joke about that, okay? Stop. That's me down in claws. Okay? Dude, this thing's about to erupt. Like, I mean, this thing's about to erupt. Insane. I'm about to call some friend. I don't know where my phone is. Damn it. I don't know where it is. Might be in my car. But chuck a call. Song Unlocked a Deep Memory. It's literally called I Was Sad Last Night, but I'm okay now, I think. By Toby Lou. Terrible rap name. When are we getting paid? I get paid literally every day. Okay. Dude, come on. Stop playing with my heart, Pfizer. Come on, baby. Come on. I got a nice hangover call through over 30 minutes. I've never actually been trashed off of calls. It's like, honestly, that's the best part of the seltzers. Is like, I feel like I don't get trashed off of them. Ever. One sec. I would say they have a song on here. Oh, they do. Okay, cool. I know it's something I'm going to play if we start going berserk. What's our price target? Ivan. So, hey, I just want people to know, like, you donate, I appreciate it. I love you. You're the awesomest, bestest people ever. Awesome. You support everything. And by the way, the website's, it's basically done. It's just, like, it's empty right now. Like, it's just totally empty because I haven't posted anything or any, like, type of comments or anything. So I'm just trying to get, like, the Discord members on there first and then, like, have, like, some posts. And then I'll, do everything. Like, actually, if you want, I mean, I don't really care. We can, like, get on it now. It's totally empty. Like, there's nothing on there. It's literally just going to be a form. So if you want, you can go and register. Optiondrops.com. You can go register right now. It's literally just going to be a form of stocks that I like, things like that. And everyone can post. And then it's going to be really cool because I think, and you can probably do it on Reddit too. But you can just follow and it'll all be up here, like all the stuff you like. And then also when we have merch drops, it'll be on there as well. But there won't be anything like sold, like any subscriptions, or it'll never cost you to look at the site or anything like that. Optiondrops.com. So I'm going to have this stuff posted on there soon. I've just been pretty lazy lately, to be honest. I'm not going to lie. And I've been just so consumed with Pfizer. I probably should have posted more. But yeah. All of my plays, like when I do YouTube videos over a stock I like, Plug Energy, for instance, I'll make a post about it, why I like it, what I see, things like that. It'll all be posted there. Go make your account, and you guys can post whatever you want. Now, you'll get banned, IP banned, if you like are like, being a scumbag and posting stuff that with no validity and no cause and just like, whatever. But yeah, so you can go make your account and stuff like that. It's super plain. It's supposed to be plain, but yeah. Yeah. I'm happy that that's done. Thoughts on Palantir? Long-term, love it. I wouldn't be buying long-term stocks right now, though, for myself. Get above the VWAP! My gosh. You got mods for site? Yeah, I'm going to be having mods from the Discord. And setting those guys up. I got to like go into WordPress and set all that up, but I just haven't done it yet. Dude, stop me. Like, what are you doing? I don't use Unusual Wells. I don't pay for anyone or anything. I'm not like downing Unusual Wells. I don't know the guy or whatever he does. I've used Cheddar Flow. I've used Flow Algo. They're good products, but I don't think you need access to that flow information. I don't think you need that. You can pretty much see that if you're looking at level 2 data on your broker. Now, you won't get alerts for it, but you can look at that data if you really want it. I don't think you need it. My opinion, take it for whatever it is. I don't think you need to be paying these large sums. What I pay for personally is TradingView Premium, and all I pay for, I'll show you exactly what I pay for. I'm actually an affiliate with these guys, but I haven't paid for anything. So what I pay for is the month. I pay for the monthly. I could have paid for the yearly or annual, whatever it is. I probably would have made more. I'd probably saved money. And then I also pay for the and then I pay for the New York Stock Exchange. I think I pay for this one, and then I pay for the Nasdaq. That's what I pay for. I don't even pay for OTC. I could care less because I'm buying OTC. I'm gonna hold those stocks. But when I pay the additional for these few, that's all you need. Huge. And that's just so the data stays at real time, right? So I didn't ever have to use like anything else. That's all I pay for, and it's like 20 a month. And I mean, I use TradingView and I make whatever money I make, so like I cover that easily. So, and it's a tax write-off, so cool. Reyes 5912. Honestly, guys, I really do appreciate whenever you send me that stuff. Like honestly, like I show my personal friends and stuff, and it's like it's a reminder of why I got into doing this. Because like I'm the person that's like that's kind of crazy. That's always saying like I'm gonna make so like last year I told my friend, and I'm gonna be making a video about him pretty soon. I actually have it edited, but I want to make it longer. It's just too short right now, especially with the way the fight ended for the Derek Lewis thing. So, anyways, but like I told him like last year, I was like, bro, I'm gonna make $100,000 like this coming year, like 100, like easily, like I'll surpass it. But like that's my goal for the year. And he was like, and like I was only making like 25 grand last year, right? Just because I had to liquidate my account and things like that, I didn't have money in the market, right? And like this friend in particular has always been that guy that's just always been on me, and he's like, bro, it's easy for you. Like it's fucking like. He was like, if anyone's gonna do it and turn 20 grand, 25 into double, like 4xing that, like, dude, you're the one that's fucking gonna do it. So like, I'm always like setting this like fucking crazy goals and shit like that. I kind of lost track of where I was going, but I will say that like, you have to set those fucking outlandish goals. You know what I mean? You gotta set those goals for yourself to be pushing yourself like that. You know what I mean? And also surrounding yourself with people that like ultimately believe in you and that shit. But like those, I know where I was going with those messages that you send me. It's like the goal on YouTube. Yeah, I make money off of YouTube, and I mean I can show you. I have no problem showing you guys how much money I make on you. It's nothing. It's nothing. It pays my car note and like my lunch every day. That's what YouTube pays me. Zero could give a fuck less. So when people say like, oh, you're doing YouTube videos to make money, I'm like, are you kidding me? Like, are you kidding me? Like, I make this like in a day trading options. Are you what? Or like let's say 3 days, a 3 days average of trading options, right? Where does it show your money? Analytics. I made $1,200 last month. That's nothing at all. And I took a week off, but like still like that's nothing, right? So like the reason I make content, and you're always gonna know, is it's just to help people and to just share like what I'm doing and hopefully save people from like losing money in some type of way. That's the point. That's it. It's not to make money. That's why I tell people you don't have to donate or anything like that. I make enough money. It's fine. I appreciate it. You help because I'm trying to get more people. I'm trying to hire people. To be honest, I'm trying to hire other friends. Like that's my whole thing too, is like I don't want to pay outsource shit. I want to take my friends that were with me from like the beginning and like bring them with me. You know what I mean? Like I'm trying to hire a friend so she can do all my merch. She can run all the merch. She can do the designs, come up with them. So that way we have new stuff coming out frequently. And then I'm trying to get my other friend, my good friend that like I was just telling you about, the one that believed in me and that type of shit like that. Like I'm trying to get him into day trading, him doing the podcast with me. Like I'm trying to get him to quit his job. Like fuck that shit. Like bro, like come work with me. Like fuck that. It's dumb. Like you know what I mean? Like that's what it's about for me. Like I don't forget every fucking person that was with me when I was fucking dead broke and that believed in me. Like I don't fucking like. I mean, at a big point, my fucking family didn't believe me, which is cool. I'm not like mad at them. I love my mom, love my dad, love all that shit. But like, and I get like what they were like, dude, that's like a huge risk. Like, and you know, boomers aren't too risk oriented, but Daddy Tyler's pretty risk oriented. So like, what I'll say is like, you know, appreciate those people and like, you know, don't take those for granted. Especially the real friends. The real friends, don't take them for granted. Sweeper, Street Club, I don't use anyone. I use no one. I use Tyler's knowledge. Mounting V. Hey boys, we're mounting VWAP. Dad mode. Engaged. Come on, boys. But yeah, it's enough happiness for the day. Oh, play that DMX. Okay, D. Okay. Okay. Okay, come on. Let's bump it up. Bump it. If we hit 50, boys, I'm going crazy if we hit 50. I'm going nuts. I'm going psycho. All right, boys. Let's just jam out for a sec.
Pump up the jam, pump it up while your feet are stumping, and the jam is pumping. Look ahead, the crowd is jumping. Pump it up a little more, get the party going on the dance floor. See, 'cause that's where the party's at, and you find out if you do that.
All right, boys, I need you to stop looking at the chart. Just kind of calm down. Stop it. Put the shades on.
Yo, pump up the jam, pump it up while your feet are stumping, and the jam is pumping. Look ahead, the crowd are jumping. Pump it up a little more, get the party going on the dance floor. See, 'cause that's where the party's at, and you find out
I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little bit concerned with the way that Moderna's moving. I'm not gonna lie. Any suggestion on day trading MILFs? Yeah, Moderna looks scary. Ugh. I'm bullish on it, but jeez. That is spooky. I mean, it looks like you're just getting a retrace. I think you're fine. Oh, yeah. You gotta push up, that's fine. Like, you gotta push up, rejected, flagging. You wanna see a breakout now? See how Tim will lactate. That's gold. They are such trolls. Dude, look at Pfizer. Holy crap. God, come on, baby. Come on, Pfizer. Come on. Stop playing with us. Just do it. You know what you want to do. You know what you want to do, Pfizer. Come on. Come on, Pfizer. Come on. Tyler's an old soul playing some old school beats. Nah, baby, I just fuck. It's that simple. Tyler fucks, you know? There's two types of people in the world. Those who fuck and those who don't. The end. Class closed. No copyright on music. Yeah, I get demonetized. But like I said, like I don't really care about monetizing live streams. Like who cares? You know what I mean? Like maybe if I was like 300,000 like subs and I was getting like, you know, thousands of viewers, I probably would care then. But like, who cares? You know what I mean? Like, I don't care. Even then, like honestly, like these are way more enjoyable. Like I don't want to just sit here and be bored and, you know, and look at like charts and, you know, jerk you off and like, you know, say donate to me. You know, I don't like, why? Like I'd be so bored. There's no way I could sit here for hours. There's no way. I would lose my mind. Like, there's no way. Like that just doesn't make sense. And again, I'm not trash talking anyone at all. I'm just saying, like, I'm just giving you my point of view, my POV. Trying to get that down payment for a house, big papi. Before I learned options, I used to buy stocks, let it go up $1 and sell. What a newbie. Jonathan Ruiz, don't worry. You're learning. I'm not here to hang out with you guys. I'm here to fuck. I'm just joking. I love you all. And don't forget, go. I mean, I don't care. Like, I don't have ads or AdSense or anything like that. But yes, the site will be live. I mean, it is live, but I'll be posting stuff soon. I just have been lazy. I haven't started posting anything. Everyone, by the way, there's no Discord spots. There's none right now. They're full. I'm probably not gonna stay here till close. There's like no way. When does Patreon open up again? I probably won't open anything until like January 1st. Maybe then. Maybe not even then. I don't know. Because honestly, like the way I was thinking about it, like if I start doing and like start investing in like and buying like a house to flip and stuff on the side, like there's no way. Like I don't want any more people in Patreon and Discord. It'll be way too full. Like I mean, I'll do the occasional giveaway for a month. I don't mind doing that. But like, yeah, I won't open up any more spots. Like, I mean, it's a really good amount in Discord right now. I think we have like, there's like 100 people every day in the live chat. And by the way, if you're in the Patreon, if you're in the Discord, like every day, every single day. I mean, look how many people are live in here. Every day, just tons. Like, and you don't even, you can just, like, a lot of people just listen while they're at work and stuff, right? So like every day, like, I mean, I'm usually in there every day. If I don't have my son, I'm in there every day. Yeah, and mods, if you're a mod, I got your DM, obviously, like you can see all the DMs I got for the mods. I'll get back to you guys. I need to post it. Just DM me on Discord if you signed up. And if you're a mod, if you want to be a mod. I'll need lots of mods, but yeah, so. But I mean, right now we're just like growing and stuff, so it's cool, like it's fine. Like, I don't know how big the website will be, but I just want like a place where I can post my thoughts, and I want a place where like people can like see transparent content and not content that's just about like memes going up and like, you know, real stocks. You know what I mean? Like, I love Dead Inside subreddit Track Stocks. So if you don't follow it, it's Track Stocks on Reddit. TRAK stocks on Reddit. It's a really good subreddit, but it's kind of been overtaken by a lot of stuff, which it's hard. I get it. It's really hard to run a Reddit. Really hard. But these are all like really good long-term stocks. Or like good DD. So that's what I want it to be about. And what I'll probably do about giving away subs is I'll probably end up giving it to like contributing people that are on the website posting stuff, and or just like active, you know what I mean? Like, you know, because ultimately that's like what the Discord is. It's like a huge community, you know what I mean? That's what it's about. It's like about helping people. Like that's the point of the channel. Like, I get the trolling, I get all of that, like I love it, I love trolling, I love making money, but like ultimately too, it's like I honestly think I have helped build one of the best Discords when it comes to just helping people too. And I'm like so happy with the people there, you know, and like, and honestly, the people they don't want more people to join. They don't want it to get overcrowded, which I understand. Totally understand. You jinxed PFE, whoever said that. Moderna's getting killed right now. Crap. I gotta piss. We need a bounce. Should bounce soon. I hope so. Go get coffee? I know, right? Every time I go get coffee, the stock goes crazy. Every stock goes crazy when I go get coffee. I gotta piss so bad. Mounting view up like I mounted the Tinder. Beards tickle? I like you. That guy right there? I like you. I like you a lot. Okay? Don't change for anyone. Yeah, look at that. Oh my god. That is if you're wondering what a mount looks like, that is a mount, ladies and gentlemen. Look, see, this is what happens. You come up, right? You get rejected. You come back up. Sometimes you get rejected twice. Boom, you pop up. Mount. Touch. Bounce. That's beautiful, boys. Watch this dump right through it. That's nice. That's nice. All right, boys. I had to go. I can't hold it in. My wiener, it hurts so bad.
And you will join me.
Literally hurt. I'll turn this up for you boys. I mean, this is terrible pain. I mean, honest, my wiener. This is pain. I feel like I'm in labor. Holy crap! I imagine this is what labor feels like. So enjoy this Wu-Tang Clan. I'll be right back.
So, convoy, choose life or death.
The only man a whole wait for is the Sky Blue Valley Kid. In 83, rock tailors. My Memorex perform tape decks. My own phone sex. Watch out for Haiti bitches. I heard they throw heads. Yo, who whole platoon is filled with raccoons? Corner sitting wine niggas sipping apple boom. This ain't a white cartoon. Cause I be ducking crazy space. The kid hold white shit like blacks rock ashy legs. Why is the sky blue? Why is water wet? Why did Judas rat the Romans while Jesus slept? Stand up, you're out of luck like two dogs stuck. Iron Man be sipping rum out of Stanley cups. Unflammable, Noriega, aiming nozzles. Stay windy in Chicago, spine tingle, mind boggles. Kangos and rainbow colors, promoters try to hold dough. Give me mine before a Poe, wrap you up in so-and-so. I ran the dark ages, Constantine the Great, Henry the Eighth. Built with Genghis Khan, the red suede Wally Dawn.
I judge wisely, as if nothing ever surprised me. Lounging between two pillars of ivory, I'm lively. My dome piece is like building stones in Greece. My poems are deep from ancient bones I speak. I'm overwhelmed as my mind roams the realm. My eyes the visions, memory is the film. Others act subtile, but they fragile above clouds. They act wild and couldn't budge a crowd, no matter how loud they get. Though they growl and spit, clutch their fists and throw up signs like a crip and throw all types of fit. I leave them split like ass cheeks and rag pussy
Hey yo,
lip.
camouflage chameleon, ninja skill in your building. No time to grab the gun, they already got your wife and children. A hit was sent from the president to raid your residence because you had secret evidence and documents on how they raped the continents. And list the prominent, dominant Islamic, Asiatic, black Hebrew. The year 2002, the battle's still with the wound. 6 million devils just died from the bubonic flow of the Ebola virus under the reign of King Cyrus. You can see the weakness of a man right through his iris. Unloyal snakes get thrown in boiling lakes of hot oil. Uncoils your skin, chicken heads getting slim like olive oil. Only plant the seed deep inside fertile soil. Fortified with essential vitamin and minerals. Use the sky for a blanket, stuff a cloud inside my pillow. Rolling with the lamb, 12 tribes, 144,000 chosen. Protons, electrons always cause explosions.
The banks of G, all cream down's a bet. Money feet good, opposites off the set. It ain't hard to see my C's need guard degree. I got mouths to feed, unnecessary beef is more cows to breed. I'm on some tax-free shit by any means, whether bound to hit scheme or some counterfeit cream. I learned much from such swift cons who run scams. Veterans got the game spiced like ham, and from that, sons are born and guns are drawn. Clips are fully loaded, and then blood floods the lawn. Disciplinary action was a fraction of strength that made me truncate the length 1/10. Whoop the stump, tweeters hiss like air pumps. RZA shaped the track, niggas caught razor bumps. Scar trying to figure who invented this unprecedented opium scented, dark tinted. Now watch me blow him out of shoes without clues, cause I won't hesitate to detonate, I'm short fuse.
Shatterproof to the young youth. You wanna get gun? Shoot! Blow! How you like me now? Don't fuck the style. Ruthless wow. Do you wanna get your teeth knocked the fuck out? Wanna get on it like that? Well then shout!
your RZA, your razor. Hit me with the major, the damage. My clan understand it be flavor. Gunning, coming at ya. First I'm gonna get ya. Once I got ya, I got ya. You could never capture the method man stature. For rhyming, for rapture. Got niggas resigning, now master my style. Never, I put the fucking buck in the wild kid, I'm terror. Razor sharp, I sever the head from the shoulders. I'm better than my competitor. You mean competitor, whatever. Let's get together.
Shame on the nigga who tried to run game on the nigga who buck wild with the strip black.
The act so thick, I'm fat. And yo, Ray came blowing and blew off your headphones black. Rock from yo, Cali to Texas. Smoother than a Lexus. Now it's my turn to wreck this. Brothers approaching half step, but ain't heard half of it yet. And I bet you're not a fucking vet. So when you see me on the reel, forming like Voltron, remember I got deep like a Navy SEAL.
Shame on the nigga who tried to run game on the nigga who buck wild with the trigger. Shame on the nigga who tried to run game on the nigga. I'll fuck your ass up. Yo. I come with that old loco style from my vocal. Couldn't people with a pair of bifocals. I'm no joker, play me as a joker. Be on it like a house on fire. Smoke ya, dudes be acting like the gangs anyway. Be like warriors, come out and play. Learn me, I get into shit, I let it like diarrhea. Got burnt once, but that was only gonorrhea. Dirty, I keep shit staged in my drawers so I can get fits and funky for you. Murder takes the flame of the Wu-Tang Rah. Here comes the tiger burst grain. Ow, be like wow with my style. Punk, you play me chump, you get jumped. Woo, it's coming through at a theater near you. And get funk like a shoe. What?
All right, sorry. I need a snack. It's probably one of my favorite Wu-Tang songs. I don't know why. All right, anyone got any more questions? I think I'm holding my PFE. I have a lot. I think of like 300 contracts for next week. But if anyone has any questions, feel free to ask. Probably hop in the Discord for the next hour. Just chill with the Discord. I wanted to get a $50 push. Victoria, what's up? Gravel pit, where did you learn to trade? Self-taught. Well, I went to Houston too, but I mean, like, fundamentally, like, I learned a lot of fundamentals from University of Houston. Huge fundamental, like, knowledge gain. Great. But like charting was all by myself. So, but I mean, like a really big thing though. Like, if you ever watch, there's a movie. It's called there's a movie called Margin Call, and in the movie there's a scene where like you meet the head of this hedge fund, right? And basically what's happening is this hedge fund's getting margin called. Let me turn it down. It's the best scene in the movie, my opinion. So it's my favorite scene in the whole movie. It's a really good movie. It might take you a few times to watch it to understand it. So when you're watching it, I'm about to get a PFE breakout. Wow, it's nice. But I want to mention something too before I go back to that story. Is you got rejected, you came down, you mounted, you're pushing back up, you're gonna break above. It's like fucking basic to you. Crazy, fucking wizard. About to break back up. $50 is coming. So in this movie on Margin Call, this is like super interesting. So, so it's this head of this hedge fund, right? And he comes in, and they find out that they're, yeah, spoiler alert, right? But like you already know the whole point of the movie Margin Call. You don't really know what they do and stuff, but it's just a process of how things are done. And so in this specific part, the plot of the movie is obviously a firm is getting margin called on, and that's like basically what happens, right? So going to that, they basically call the hedge fund like manager, the head guy, the biggest guy there who owns it basically. He comes up and he's talking about, and they're explaining the situation. He's like, what's the probability that we can make it out of this? And they're like, there's no probability that we turn a profit no matter what, right? And so they're like, well, what do we do? What do we do? What do we do? But no one else knows this position's worthless besides them, the hedge fund, right? And so he's like, he tells them what to do, and then they question his decision, and he's like, basically, he sips back and he says, look, you guys know how to trade. You guys know how to do the math and shit. I didn't go to school for that. He's like, my job is to know when the band is playing the music and when the music stops. And so he's kind of making a reference towards, I think, Titanic. And that reference is the market looks beautiful, right? So like we look at the market, the music's been playing for a long time. The band has not turned off, right? The band has been playing the music for days and weeks and whatever, right? But in my opinion, and in this guy's opinion, what he was saying in the movie, is the music's getting quieter. And eventually, the music's going to stop. And when the music stops, typically, the boat sank. Everyone's dying or going to die. So, that's his terminology, right? And so, I think that college, and I think the education you get from college doesn't necessarily teach you to know when the market's going to crash and stuff. But if you use it correctly, it can teach you to know and look at signs for when the market looks terrible or when there's over risk all over the market. Like Michael Burry shorting ARK Invest, which I think is one of the best moves in the market because I think Cathie Wood is buying stupid stuff right now. But yeah, so that's my little summary from that. That was a great movie if you really watch it. Big Short's another great one, but Margin Call's really, really good. Kevin Spacey killed in that before he started touching like little boys and crap or something. So that was, thank Kevin Spacey for ruining that for me. But it's a great movie. PFE looks great. PFE looks really good. It's about to rip. It's gonna go. It's fine. It's gonna hit $50 a day. I'm like, I could care less. I'm holding my positions. I've added more. I think I entered 200 this morning. I added another 100 throughout the day. Contracts. What chart is this? It's Pfizer PFE. How long you holding PFE for? I don't know. Until we hit the moon or something, right? Ow, crap. This belt. It's pretty heavy, actually. Look, boys. Do gaps always fill? My wife is asking. Hey! What a lady. Keep her classy. Look, boys. We're playing one more song. I want you boys to blast this. I want you boys to blast this. Okay? We're getting off for the today. We're blasting this one, baby. We'll be back tomorrow. Pfizer's going ballistic. Pfizer's gonna hit $50. The squeeze is coming, boys. I want you boys to be litty to the city. I'm holding my calls. Do what you want. You want to pussyfoot tiptoe around? Do what you gotta do. Me personally, I'm going to the moon, boys. Like, subscribe, do what you gotta do. Demonetize me, YouTube, I don't care. Take the video down. Take the money back. I don't care. I don't care. I don't care. It's just money. I make it in a day. Fuck it. We'll send Mama shit.